this minister they're talking about today, last December, paid the housing allowance of all the entire staff of PDP. That am aware. Today, as we speak, the staff of the parties is being controlled by market because they pay them money and open separate account for the staff. So who is in charge of the party then? What is the problem with me? Now you've not going to say, oh, I'm not a national secretary. INEC. They started posting. INEC did not receive correspondence. Now they've come. They set up a committee by themselves. And they went to INEC and they told them so that no vacancy. Because I don't really talk. Because I'm not the public secretary of the party. So I cannot talk to the press all the time. That is why most of you people think I don't talk. Because I confine myself within my own office as custodian of the secretariat. Well, I said the time will come when I will speak, not now. I know a lot. No, what I'm going to tell you, first of all, PDP is not part of the coalition. I said it earlier before the governors made their own statements. I was the first person. I don't know who agreed that interview. I said we are not part of the merger. PDP cannot go and merge. PDP is the first party and the only party that retrieve power from the military. And in every nook and cranny of this country, you must always find a PDP faithful. So we cannot. Rather, other parties will subsume themselves into PDP. Today, I look at the people who call themselves Southeast leaders. Day before yesterday, the chairman of BOT was in the coalition meeting. ATIKU then who go to television, Arise television to disparage me because his own hatred started when I was local government chairman. When he was a governor, he suspended me because I supported Arise to be governor. That was why he suspended me. So that hatred has been there. He's a member of the coalition. He went to Daura to see Buhari with ATIKU. Then before, on Sunday, they were all doing coalition. They've come to do stakeholders meeting because they want to remove national secretary before they leave for their party. Ben Obi was there in the coalition. And meanwhile, the party said they are not part of the coalition. So who is deceiving who? What is actually going on? For instance, this is very simple. I campaigned. I went to all the states campaigning for this position, and I was elected. And my position is for 4 years, with the constitution guarantees. And the next convention is by August or October. I will have just 4 months to go. Why would you want to put a party into a turmoil? Why would you sacrifice me? And a man who has been rejected by his people and affirmed by court is attending a meeting. What kind of an operation is that? And you think I will sit and watch? It's not about making sacrifice. It's about doing the right thing. It's only when you do the right thing that somebody can make a sacrifice. You are gone to INEC, and INEC affirmed to you. You went and everything and said. So what's wrong? Say he's the national secretary of the party. And what will I do between now to convention to enjoy the party, if at all? And why will I be irresponsible to enjoy a party that gives me a platform? Some of these people have left the party and come back. Some of them came to this party midway. But I have been with this party since 1999 to date. I've never gone out and come back. I've remained. In my state, we've had governors, when Hakim came through PPA, we are PDP, we converted him back to PDP as a governor. Rochas was been there. I never left the party. For 8 years, Rochas was governor.